Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to prove ownership before attempting any reset or recovery. That protects you and other users. Start by locating the original purchase receipt and the Google account email tied to the phone. Once done, check battery level and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so processes don't fail. Make a clear note of the device model and a MAE or serial number. Technicians and account recovery forms will request these exact identifiers during the next steps. If you remember the Google account, use Google's account recovery flow and follow prompts for verification codes and trusted devices. This often restores access. If the phone lets you reach settings while verified, perform a factory reset from System Reset. This preserves lawfulness. Otherwise, contact the device manufacturer or authorized service center and submit proof of purchase (ID). And a MAE, authorized support, can remove activation locks or after an authorized service or successful account recovery, confirm in writing what was done and any changed credentials, then sign back into a verified Google account and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. Make a fresh backup and reinstall apps through official stores. If the manufacturer or retailer cannot resolve the lock, escalate to the point of sale or your local consumer protection agency and present your ownership evidence. This preserves your rights without resorting to insecure or unlawful bypass methods, and it's often the fastest remedy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.